Welcome back to Booze and Rocks. My name's David Edwards, and you know what? I'm gonna enjoy a Brazilian today. A Brazilian raspberry. Let's get into it. It's great to have everybody back here today. We are gonna enjoy a good Brazilian, because who doesn't like a good Brazilian? Actually, got you going right there, didn't I? Yeah. So, what I'm talking about is a Brazilian raspberry. Now, this recipe was created by Trevor Rose, one of my subscribers. He also subscribes to Steve the Barman, who is a UK-based YouTuber who makes cocktails, and he really pushes the boundaries on what can be done with off-the-shelf liqueurs and different flavored vodkas and different flavored alcohols and all that sort of good stuff. And he really engages his fan base and his subscribers to reach out and try something new. And he actually likes to see the recipe, and he actually makes them Sundays on a live stream. So you know what? You should check him out. I'll put a link down below. Now, Trevor likes to play with his cocktails, and he likes to try different things. So you know what we're gonna do? We're going to make this cocktail directly in the glass. Now, first thing you need to do is actually move your rocks glass out of the way. Grab a knife that's sharp, and we need to quarter half a lime. So chop your ends off like so. Yay, get over there. Chop it in half, because you know what? Everybody likes cutting a lime in half. You're gonna cut it in half again, and then you're gonna fruit ninja it like so. Grab your glass, throw them in. Yeah. Okay, you need a little bit of a sugar syrup or a simple syrup. This is a 1-to-1 simple syrup, and we only need 15 mils, which works out to half an ounce. Grab your little pounding stick or your muddler, and what you're gonna do is you're just gonna crunch this all down, but you're not gonna do it so hard that you actually destroy the rinds and the skin. You just wanna release the juices and the oils. Now, there's a proper technique to this, and you need to turn with the elbow, not with the wrist, apparently, like this. Anyways, that's good enough. Next, you want to grab a little bit of your raspberry vodka of choice. In this case, I have some Absolute here, and I had to buy this specifically for this. So Trevor, just for you, raspberry vodka. And we need 2 ounces or 60 mils. And you know what? Smells good. I smell the raspberry and the vodka-ness out of this. It's raspberry vodka. Anyways, next thing we're going to use is a little bit of Apricot Brandy. And for this, I'm going to use a little bit of Bowls. Again, something else I had to buy just for this video. And we need 15 mils or half an ounce. Oops. I don't need quite a full thing. In fact, I screwed up because I only put 1/4 of an ounce of simple syrup in. There, that's better now. Okay, so let's try this again. Now that I'm busy pouring stuff all over my hands like a fool, and David is a fool sometimes, grab your raspberries. Now, he didn't require any raspberries in here. However, I just want them for a little bit of color because I think they would look pretty. Throw those in there. We're going to grab some crushed ice. Now, I crushed this ice. I didn't crush it up fine because I wanted some texture to the ice. So we're gonna fill that up like so. Throw a big chunk right there. Grab your bar spoon. And now what we're going to do is we're going to mix this up. You wanna throw that back in there, throw this back in here, and we'll grab just a little bit more ice, because you know what? We're gonna grab just a little bit more ice because it's just gonna look good that way. Look at that. That is a very pretty looking drink. It is also reminiscent of another drink called the Qaurtered, which is a Brazilian-based cocktail. It's actually their national cocktail of choice. Let's take a look. Well, Trevor, It looks really, really nice. You know what? I need to garnish this. Because you know what? Your cocktail game's no good without massive, massive raspberries as a garnish. There we go. That's better. How's that? With a skull pin. Smells good. You get an immediate hit of raspberry. Ooh, yeah. Grab this. Oh, Trevor, this is good. Oh. You get just a little bit of the apricot, just a hint of the apricot. You get the raspberry coming through, you get the lime juice coming through. It's not tart, it just hits that little level where, oh yeah, the lime is just coming through without it being overly tart. Oh, this is good. Trevor, yeah. When are you coming to my house to make me a cocktail? And don't chew on the ice on camera. Oh, just swallow an entire cube at once. Oh. Anyways, and I know there's gonna be bad jokes coming just because of that. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to leave the ingredients and the method of how to make this down in the description down below. I'll put a link to Trevor's Instagram page. And you know what? Everybody, give this a thumbs up because it's really cracking and it's perfect no matter what time of the year. If it's your first time to my channel, hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell notification. That way, every time we put up a new video, you will be notified. And you know what? If you're interested in whatever, you're interested in cocktails, having fun, send me your recipes. I want to try new things, and we'll see you next time. But when I speak about a Brazilian, I mean a Brazilian raspberry. So I had you go in there. Had you go in there from the end. So Trevor decided he would get on board with that, and here we are. We're going to make a fucking hell, a raspberry vanilla. I can't even say it. It stopped.